Hey everybody, Jared here with I'd Fly Racing. We're back to making videos. Been slacking a little bit. Back to racing. That's part of it. We missed a battle at Prim. Had a family wedding. Had to miss that. But we're back. We just got home from Rampage at Ridgecrest, put on by SNORE and the city of Ridgecrest. Man, that town opened up for us. We had a whole downtown festival on Friday. Food vendors, a car show with our cars. All the racers came down. It was an amazing time. SNORE put on an amazing racetrack. It was 5 laps, 13 miles a lap on Saturday. Same thing on Sunday. What a great racetrack. Couldn't ask for more out of that. As far as we go as a race team, we did really well. We finished 3rd for the weekend. We had a 4th on Saturday and a 3rd on Sunday, which put us in 3rd off of total time. Both days added together, we ended up 3rd. Saturday, we were a little timid. I was a little shy on the driving. Travis was a little slow on the navigating. We picked it up. By the end of lap 4 or 5, we had it figured out. We were ready to go and put it on kill on Sunday. Sunday, we drove the car as hard as we can. Travis was on the notes. I was on the wheel. I have so much more to learn that this car is capable of. This car can handle way more than I can drive it through. We did pick up a whole minute per lap, so we did push a lot harder. I just wish we would have done it on Saturday and then picked up another minute on Sunday and we would have got a little higher on the podium. Back to the car. This Can-Am, I'm telling you guys, this Mavar is an unstoppable car. And then you go and you throw CA suspension on it, Yokohama's tires. Man, this car is unstoppable. These tires are not only raced at this race, they were raced 2 races already. They had 600 miles on them when we went out to do this race. These did come from the rears. We moved them up front. But man, you can still see the treads. I cannot thank Yokohama enough for jumping on board with us and giving us a shot. I couldn't have picked a better tire for this type of desert racing. CA, yeah, we do have rock crawler suspension on our car, but you know what? We didn't have any failures. This car took a beating. We come short off a couple jumps, almost face planted once. The car just reacted, didn't even care. No buckles, nothing went wrong with this car. Like I said, it's the driver. I got to get faster. Back to, as far as the suspension goes, right before we left, we had the guys at Godfrey Fab Works go through the shocks. Man, those guys got the shocks dialed in for us. This car handled better than it ever has. They just needed gone through. We bought the car used, obviously. We put what shocks we thought were good on it, but we had no idea what a fresh set of shocks was going to do. So much better, so much better. Thanks, Godfrey Fab, for kicking in that. Thanks, Yokohama. Thanks, CA. We just can't thank everybody enough for keeping us going on the racetrack, and we're just going to keep pushing, guys. So wait for the next video. Next race is in August. We'll try to do some videos between here and there, kind of give a breakdown of what we're going to do. We're going to do a very light prep on this one. Basically just kind of a full inspection. We only put 70 miles on it, so there's not a lot to look at after a full teardown prep. Read check nuts and bolts, things like that. We might do a few videos for that for you guys. But yeah, car's great, team's great. We made the 1,400-mile trip out and back, no problems at all. We did it our style. We hauled everything out on a semi, and we hauled everything back on a semi. So, yep, I appreciate everybody watching. We'll see you on the next one.